And thank you so much for joining us on Storms Decoded. I'm Eric. Good morning, everybody. Just to let you know, this has really been a very, very busy morning for me. I can tell you that. It usually is when we get severe weather, especially during this time with the winter, that we've seen very, very active stuff so far this year. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the weather highlights at this current time. Okay, hazards right now is there is a ice storm warning and winter weather advisory that is in effect. So let's go ahead and show you. I'll just zoom in a little bit and show you. Okay, areas that are in the darker purple are under ice storm warning, where you can see it right there in dark purple, and then where you see the lighter violet color, that is a winter weather advisory that's in effect. And the winter weather advisory is actually St. Clair County and northward, and that also includes Port Huron area, Lapeer County, Sanilac, all the way up into the thumb. So wherever you see the winter weather advisory shaded in that lighter color, that's the winter weather advisory. And then in dark purple is the ice storm warning. Okay, the timing will be until noon on Sunday, and that would be for that ice storm warning. I will look into that specifically, and we'll look at the radar momentarily, and I'll show you that part in just a couple of moments. Okay, so these are the highlights that we do have for the event. A mix of freezing rain, sleet, and snow is expected through noon today. The heaviest icing is occurring across the Tri-Cities area. Ice accumulations to 3/3 of an inch are possible. Snow accumulations up to 4 inches with local higher totals are possible for Midland and Bay counties. Wind may gust up to 35 miles per hour at times. Impacts. Paved surfaces will be icy and or snow covered, making driving and walking hazardous. Downed limbs and power lines are expected. So please be extremely careful today when you guys venture out. Storm warning issued this morning, while a winter weather advisory remains in effect elsewhere until midday. A mix of freezing rain, sleet, and snow expected for the Tri-Cities and the thumb areas, where up to 4 inches of snow accumulation, and I had told you about the icing, is expected along I-69 corridor and will remain below 1/10 of an inch, with freezing rain changing over to just rain later this morning in case southbound. So please stay tuned. I'll keep you up to date on this whole weather event, and I will let you know when everything clears out and what to expect, and I'll let you know if there's actually good news once that all of this winter weather and ice storms and that come to an end. We'll talk about the rest of that in the 7-day forecast. We'll see you again at 10:30, 10:45. If there's any up-to-date updates, I will clearly announce that and bring them to you as soon as I get them. Thank you, and thank you for joining us on Storms Decoded. I'm Eric Tallman. And please use a lot of precaution if you're going to be driving today on the road. So please take your time. Thank you.